Hi friends, so in the previous video we saw that how we programmed one of this Arduino as Piku and the other one as Pihu, and then we individually spoke with them from PictoBlox chat, and which is here, and we spoke here. And now as I promised, we are going to make them independent. I mean, they will not be connected with computer, they will be connected with each other. So they are now powered by a power bank. This is the power bank, and I'm going to switch it on. And before that, I just want to show you. So they are the two Arduino. They are not connected with computer. They are now, the code is inside. So he is in the Pihu's character and he is in the Piku's character. Pihu is the first initiator of the chat from the last video. So Pihu will start with hi Piku, and then he will reply, and so on. So this communication is going to happen between them without us knowing. So how is going to happen? Let's see. So for that, let me press the button of power bank. Have I done anything mistake? Let's see. I powered it up. They both are powered up. Now we should be looking at the TX and RX pin. If they blinks, that means they are talking. And not only they blinks, the LED, the test LED also should blink to tell that they received a message. But nothing is happening. Why? Can you guess? Just pause the video and think about it and tell me. And let me start after that. So the problem is they are isolated. They cannot talk between a power bank, right? This is just a power source. They are not the communication channel. So they have to communicate. And as I told in the earlier video, your Pihu's TX will connect with Piku's RX, and to bring it inside, yeah, and then Pihu's TX on Piku's RX. So the RX and TX will cross, right? Now they are connected. Now if they say something, she says something, he will listen. Now let's power up and see the play of LED blink. And then as you can understand, it's not connected with any computer, so you cannot see what they are talking between them. Just we can see the LED blink, and we have to guess that probably things are going good. So let's try. Power them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 seconds he will start his first talk. And see the LEDs are blinking in alternate, and TX and RX pins are also blinking, saying that they are talking, right? So that's what. Now the next video, the challenge is how can we intercept this communication. So they are actually talking between them and nobody is in middle of them. They are just talking privately. We don't know what they're talking. Just let's assume you are not the programmer. You are somebody, third person came to my home and saw them talking between them, and you don't know what they are talking. And now it's your task to find out what they are talking between them without disturbing or without letting them know. And that is where comes man in the middle attack. So we are going to check a new trick of hacking using PictoBlox, and we will try to understand what they are talking without letting them know. So are you excited? Let's wait for the next video. Thank you. Bye.
Did you hear about the new teacher? She has purple hair. No way. Tell me everything right now. Okay, but promise you won't tell anyone else.